They have some houses out there. Through this tunnel. Poli Thessaloniki. Hello, welcome to Friendly Travels channel. Here is to a silent tour of Poli Thessaloniki. I think this is the city wall. Poli with bus number 23 stops right there, takes you from Thessaloniki city center. Easy way of getting up here if you are not driving. Wow, there's those houses. Are we going to go down there? You get nice views and nature, flowers. There it is. Let's go up to the prison historical site. You're going to shop as well. Here. You go around here, from the prison to the other side. Here it is. Have views of the city on the right. Walking back to Thessaloniki city center. I think it's easier walking downhill than walking uphill. All these houses have brilliant views of the city. Which way are we going? So we're still going. Oh, this area is still Anapoli. So do we keep going? Oh, the house, this one. Wow. Interesting. Buy this house to renovate. And you can renovate it to that standard there. We are hiking down from Anapoli. Stepping here by the lovely cabin. First, let's check out the views. Oh, here. See? It's amazing views from up here. And we have the delicious souvlaki. The views we have from this mountain. Nice place to stop when you are hiking up or down from Anapoli. The sightseeing bus. A bus stop. It says, I think, number 19 or something.